Greetings! Today we will make oat cookies. This version of the recipe is simple, without any unnecessary manipulations or additives. 75 grams rolled oats grind to a flour. 2 ripe bananas. We will make cookies without any added sugar. Bananas fit to this recipe perfectly. Add bananas to our oatmeal flour and blend it. Add 1 egg and 2 to 3 dates. Add 50 grams of melted butter, or you can replace it with vegetable oil. Coconut oil 25 to 40 milliliters. There should be such a mass. Add 100 grams rolled oats. Add a little bit of raisins, about 50 grams. Mix everything well. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. Bake at 180 Celsius, 356 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. If you prefer crispier cookies, bake 5 minutes longer. Thanks to the fact that there is no added sugar in the recipe, all the sweetness comes from banana, raisins, and dates. These cookies can be eaten more often. This recipe is so easy. All you have to do is mix the ingredients, bake, and you have cookies ready in 20 minutes. Tell me, what is your oatmeal cookie recipe? If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Thanks for watching.